Hey guys, what's up? This is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you my 3 reasons as to why you're not making money online. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my tips and strategies that will help you to build a sustainable online business. Please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So now coming back to the topic as to why you're not making money online, I'll be telling you the top 3 reasons that is stopping you from achieving your goals. The number one reason for that is a wrong mindset. Yes, mindset plays an important role in helping you to succeed in making money online. People come into this online business thinking that it is very easy and they can start earning right from the first day, and there are push button systems that will help them to generate online income. Well, to tell you frankly, it is easy to make money online once you have set up everything, once you have the complete knowledge of how to start making money online. And there are no push button systems that will help you to make money online instantly. If anyone is claiming that you're going to make money online in next 1 hour, 2 hour, 24 hours using a push button system, then don't believe in those. You need to do work initially to help set up your campaigns, your business. You need to have the proper knowledge of what you are going to do, and then only you will be successful in making money online. The number 2 reason as to why you're not making money online is you may have chosen a broad niche. What I meant by broad niche is, for example, you may have chosen how to lose weight. How to lose weight, if you go on Google or YouTube, there is already a lot of competition in this particular niche. So the best way for you is you need to go few levels down in a particular niche. So instead of promoting how to lose weight, you need to promote something like how to lose weight without exercising, without dieting. So what that means, you're going one level below how to lose weight, and you're promoting something like how to lose weight without exercising, without dieting, how to lose weight with fruit diet, how to lose weight with juice diet, how to lose weight with intermittent fasting. And based on that, you can go further down into these sub niches, like how to lose weight with intermittent fasting in 10 days, like how to lose weight with homemade keto diet. So you need to choose a sub niche rather than a broad niche. Those sub niches will have less competition as compared to the broader niche which you may have chosen. So that is the second reason why you may not be making money online. The third reason as to why you're not making money online is you may not be using the right traffic sources. What I meant by right traffic sources, you may have found an offer, you may have found a niche, but you're not promoting it effectively. You may be using one method like Facebook ads for a particular offer, but it is not necessary that that particular offer is going to convert with a Facebook ad or a Google ad or a paid ad. Maybe that particular offer converts well with the free traffic like Instagram, like Facebook, like YouTube. So you need to have the proper knowledge of a traffic source, which is the right traffic source for that particular offer, for that particular niche. So you need to have the complete understanding of all these details, and then only you will be successful in making money online. So you may be saying, okay Saurabh, you have told us all the 3 ways as to why we are not making money online, but what is the solution? How we can make money online? How we can overcome all these 3 problems? So the solution which I have for you is training called Leaderboard Affiliate. So what exactly is a Leaderboard Affiliate? Leaderboard Affiliate is a training program created by David Deacle. So this is the guy, David Deacle. He's a very successful internet entrepreneur, and he has launched various programs like FunnelX ROI, Funnel Express, and many other successful programs that helps people to make money online and set up a successful profitable online business. So what he has done in this particular training program called Leaderboard Affiliate, he has interviewed the top super affiliates, and they have revealed their closely guarded secrets through which they are earning their income. So what he has done, he has interviewed people like, let me show you, people like Igor, people like Paul Barroso, people like Joshua Elder, Daniel Kump, Ontarian Hawkins, Michael Mansell, Nick Pratt, Kelly Bolton, and Jonathan Rice. So all these people, they have revealed their strategy as to how they are making money online, what they are promoting, what traffic sources they are using to promote, their various tips which they have given, and they have also revealed their daily routine as to what they do once they wake up. So they have revealed the complete daily activities, what they are doing, how they are driving traffic, what are their traffic sources, what they are promoting, the tips. So now let me show you the members area for one of the program inside Leaderboard Affiliate. This program is called the Promoter, and it is from Kelly Bolton and Jonathan Rice. So this is the members area, and these are all the videos which are there for you. So the first video is how it all started, what's their story, what they were doing before. So it's a 20-minute video. Then they have revealed their traffic sources as to what all traffic sources they're using for their offers, for their products. And then in the next video, which is 1 hour, 3 minutes long, how Kelly and Jonathan promote. And then, as I told you, the daily routine. So as I told you, David has interviewed all these super affiliates, and all of them have given their different traffic sources, different strategies. So let's say there's one traffic source which is being given by Kelly and Jonathan. There is another traffic source which is given by Joshua Elder, which is YouTube traffic source, how he's making thousands of dollars per month using free traffic from YouTube. Paulo Barroso has told us how he's generating millions of dollars using solo ads. So there is a lot of value they're providing through this program. And I must say, if you are really serious about making money online, then you need to have the right training, the right tools, the right strategies in order to get successful. Otherwise, what you will end up doing is you will keep on buying different products, keep on trying different things, and you keep on jumping from one thing to another, and you will never be successful. I can say this from my own personal experience. That is what I was doing previously. I was keep on buying different products, keep on trying different things. If it doesn't work one day, okay, now there's the next day there is a new thing. So I keep jump onto that, forget about the previous one. So this is not the right way, guys. This is not the right way to build a successful online business. So now coming to the price point of this particular program, there are different levels of pricing in this program. So starting with the promoter program, which is Kelly Bolton and Jonathan Rice training program, that is for $27 only. The next program is Team Builder. That is the program from Daniel Kump, and this program is for $97. And if you decide to go for this Team Builder program, in $97 you will get the program from Daniel Kump as well as Kelly Bolton and Jonathan Rice. So as you go further down, the next program is Guru. That is from Ontarian Hawkins, and that is for $247. And in this $247, you will not only get Ontarian Hawkins program, but also Daniel Kump and Jonathan Rice. So as you go level down, all the top level programs, they will be added into the training plan. So you don't have to buy the programs separately. So the best thing is you pick up the top level program, because that will include all the programs which are before that particular level. So the next program is Superstar, where Paulo Barroso and Joshua Elder tells their strategies, their traffic sources, their tips, and that is for $497. Next we have the Celebrity program from Michael Mansell and Nick Pratt, and that is for $997. And the final program is the Boss, which is from Igor, and this program will cost you $1,997. And this program will include all the top programs which are there. So if you buy Boss program for $1,997, you will get all the other programs as well included in that. Based on your budget, what you have currently, you can start with any of the programs which are there. I would suggest go with at least the Guru program, because that will cost you $247 and will include all the other top programs as well. And I must tell you, you're going to get a lot of value out of this. You're going to learn the right things from the right people. You're going to replicate what they are doing and do the same thing in your business. So I'm going to give the link to this leaderboard affiliate program in the description down below. You can check it out and pick up any of the program which you want. And if you have any questions regarding any of the program, regarding anything around leaderboard affiliate, you can let me know in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. And if you found some value out of this video, please make sure that you hit the like button. That will motivate me to do more of such videos. That is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.